Spiral team is speaking. Hello again. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to review how to make a quick installation of the RoadRunner application server. RoadRunner is actually the single binary application server, so you can download it directly as a single file from the GitHub release page. Alternatively, you can use a specially crafted composer package, which is called Spiral RoadRunner CLI, which is going to expedite the installation for you. Let's require this package. We can verify that this package has been properly added to your composer JSON file. Here we go. One of the main commands which you're going to be using while installing the RoadRunner called getBinary. This command, as intended, is going to be getting the binary file for you, updating or installing the RoadRunner from scratch. In addition to just a better installation, it provides a number of variety of options which you can use to configure installation specifically for your environment. There is an option such as operating system, if you want to select one. Architecture, you can select the specific version of the RoadRunner, though we recommend to stick to the default version 2. Location where you want to install it, and stability. By default, please select the stable installation. Okay, let's try to install the RoadRunner. It is as simple as running the command getBinary. Here we go. And as you can see, the system automatically selected the proper version, environment, and architecture for us. As the result of this installation, it will also propose you to create the default configuration file. Let's say yes to that. Okay, you can now see that the binary file has been added to your project and the default configuration has been generated.